Hey guys, this is Muthu. Today we are going to see this USB port is not working. So I am how to solve this problem, and another one problem is Wi-Fi is not working. Okay, this laptop model is so I will show the display screen. RT3290 HP laptop. This is a notebook model. First of all, um, here another one side USB port is working. Whenever you check the USB port it's not working or fine working or not, first of all check the most common problem is this USB port voltage. Wait a minute. This one is USB port voltage IC. This is double side have a output V out is 5 volt. This is same IC present here, but our we have only one side is working voltage V out is coming, another side is not coming, and also another side is short. So whenever trying to turn on laptop, it's maybe happen not working or power short. So first of all we will cut the this side line. Okay. Okay, I will draw and show some figure. Okay, let's see. This is a 8 pin IC. This have first one, two, three, four. This side first one is ground, and 2 3 is 5 volt, and another side this 876 is a 5 volt output. This from this laptop, this side only short, and this positive, and this ground is short. So this track is going like this. See. Okay, I cut the blade using blade. I break the line, so we have disconnected this to this. Okay, and now I bypass this 5 volt output into USB USB port, USB separator port, this board. Okay, I am showing now here this 5 volt. Okay, I bypass this line here. Okay, I has this time I have no mini soldering, so using this big wire I connected here to there. Okay, if you have a mini soldering, this line is I break the line here, and also this line to you soldering this one, this three, so 1 2 3 4, first four line is a positive lines, so you will connected here also. Okay, it's now working fine after this bypass the line. Okay, you will see mouse is moving. Okay, and this laptop RT3290 have another one problem is this USB Wi-Fi connection is maybe not working. Just this is a famous one. This type is available in all type of laptops. So I will replace the this Wi-Fi hardware. Okay, I after I replacing device manager. See, I think best wireless LAN is real tech. Okay, here I need to update the driver. After we will here show common option Wi-Fi connection is so showing here. Okay, I will show, please wait. Using DRB I will update the Wi-Fi driver. It's loading. Expert mode selected. Here this is one. Okay, I update this one. Sometimes when I black or change the Wi-Fi module, just restart your Windows, it will automatically take a driver. Okay, if sometimes it's not take a driver, you will must try manually or install automatically drivers. Okay, now its drivers will finished. Okay, now once again. Hey guys, I already said another one problem is Wi-Fi. I just replaced the new one, but it's not working. So you have another one solution is this is old Wi-Fi module. Just clean this knobs, the pins, clean with a thinner or using rubber, and use it again and replace this one. I'm going to replace this, shutting down. Okay, I will show I finished my work after. Okay guys, after finishing this work, it's Wi-Fi, it's working fine. Okay, you will see display. Okay guys, now I am fixing bottom of cover. Okay, if you like my videos, just like, and what you need next video in, drop your comment box in your comment, and also subscribe my channel, follow me.